Hello, LifterLMS users. We have completely overhauled LifterLMS Chat plugin to make it very fast and light on your website. The secret for its speed is use of Firebase. So, first thing you need to do is to set up Firebase project. That is quite easy. Continue watching to know how to set up project on Firebase and obtain its APIs. First, go to firebase.google.com and log in by using your Gmail account. Now, go to console by clicking this button. Next, click on the Add Project to start with a new project. After that you need to navigate Authentication from left menu and enable email or password. Now, click the Real-Time Database from left menu and then press Rules from top menu. Write True in Edit Rules window and hit Publish button. Now, you should press Settings icon from the right side of Project Overview in top left corner. Scroll down and you can see necessary settings information for Use Your Firebase Settings tab. Now, select Add App button and click on the web app link. That's it. Your app credentials will generate within few seconds. Final step is to copy-paste credentials to your WordPress site. Log in to your WordPress site and click LifterLMS Chat menu. Now, click on the Firebase Settings tab. Next, copy API key from Firebase and paste into this input field. Next, copy auth domain from Firebase and paste into this input field. Next, copy database URL, project ID, storage bucket, messaging sender ID and app ID from Firebase and paste into this input field. After filling all the fields, click on the Save button. That's it. You have successfully set up the settings of LifterLMS Chat plugin.